Biodiversity is a pretty complex question, and one of the ways to think about it is thinking about your environment as a complex jigsaw puzzle. And with every species ranging from the smallest microbe to the largest tree sort of serving a piece in that, with each of these organisms sort of fitting together in sometimes unexpected interactions.
Well, biodiversity basically measures the number of species in a community and their relative proportions in that community. And that's important because humans have altered the landscape so much that a lot of the biodiversity we had before human intervention has been lost.
Generally, when we think about invasive species, there has to sort of be a commonality of environment between where the species originates and where the species manages to take hold.
Well, in California waterways in particular, there's all kinds of invasive species, from photosynthetic bacteria all the way up to fish. And many of this fish species we see in the San Joaquin River, for example, most of the numbers and biomass are non-native species. They could come from other areas within California to the valley, for example, or they could be brought from international areas like ship traffic coming from Asia or Europe.
My name is Sonia Force, and I'm a canoe instructor and service learning specialist for Fresno County Superintendent of Schools. I work here at the amazing outdoor education center Scout Island, and I remove invasive species. One of the plants of concern is scarlet wisteria. I remove scarlet wisteria. Scarlet wisteria was planted by a landowner upriver about 20 so years ago, and it's been part of a large lawsuit to have the landowner remove the parent plant. It is poisonous. It's not only non-native, but it outcompetes our native plants. I can't personally take responsibility for all the plants that have been removed from Scout Island. Thousands of kids over 10 years have helped. I have a large ROTC event every year, and they remove hundreds and hundreds of plants. I have a group of boys from a group home in Fresno County that come and do service learning here for us, and they've done a lot. It's a good opportunity for them to get out here and have some ownership of their watershed and to be able to make a difference. How people should show good land stewardship and not plant non-natives, and also to how to make a difference and how good that feels.